Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lulu, also known as Curly and in today's video I'll be showing you how I style my curly hair using the Curlygirlmovement styling milk and defining gel. First, I'll hop into the shower and I'll be washing my hair using the Bounce Curl Medium Moisture Shampoo and the Bounce Curl Cream Conditioner. Alright, so I washed my hair and conditioned and detangled, and the rest of this I would normally do in the shower, but since I can't bring you into my shower with me, I'll do it at the sink so that you can see what I would normally do after conditioning, moving into styling products. So my hair is full of conditioner. I'm going to squish to condition the sink. I like to apply my styling products while my hair is soaking wet right after squish to condition, and I'm going to apply the styling milk first, followed by the curl defining gel. I'm going to start out with about that much of the milk. It's a very moisturizing product, and a little bit goes a long way when I apply it to wet hair. So I'm just going to rub it on my hands. And then I'm going to squish it down the length. And then squish it up towards my head. My hair is a mixture of porosity, so I have low porosity in my roots to high porosity at the ends, and because of that I like to apply a little bit more of the styling milk to the ends where I need a little bit more moisture. This time I'll be putting just a little bit on the back of my head, and then the rest is going to go onto the ends of my hair because that's where my hair is the driest, so it needs a little bit more moisture. I'm just gonna put a little bit here and then go back to the ends. And now I'll squish while tilting my head from side to side. The curl defining gel is also very moisturizing, so I use about this much of the gel, and I'll apply it in the same way that I did the styling milk. Rub it in my hands, squeeze it into the length, then bring it up toward my scalp. I'll apply just a little bit more to the back of my head like I did with the milk. Now that my styling products are applied, I'm ready to flip my head. So I'll flip, and then I shake a little bit, which encourages the curls to kind of fall naturally thanks to gravity. Now I'll take a microfiber towel I'm just collecting the curls in the towel and bringing them up to my head and pressing very gently against my head. I'm not scrunching. Now it's time to diffuse. So I will pixie diffuse, which means I will take my hair, collect it into the diffuser, bring it towards my head, and then turn on the hair dryer. Alright, I'm done diffusing and my hair is dry, so now is the fun part. But before I fluff, I just wanted to show you what the curls look like. So I have a lot of definition. These products give my hair a lot of bounce and shine and moisture, and it just feels really nice. Okay, so now is my favorite part. I like to first fluff using a pick. This pick is the Spriggle, and I like that it has the wide teeth so that it doesn't disturb my curl pattern too much. And I just kind of stick it in and lift the hair away from my roots. Next, I'll go in with my fingers. Sometimes I'll also go in and break up some of these curl clumps. So this big juicy curl right here, I'm just gonna separate it a little bit. There, that'll kind of fill out. Sometimes the clumps kind of make my shape a little uneven, so separating the curls can sometimes help to round out my shape. Give it a little bit more volume.